Guys, how you doing? Back on to the dustbin VW beetle. Although it has been long since I've uploaded a video, but then I've not done much on this beetle right here. What I did is just I put in this window. If you go back to the previous videos that I did, this window was broken right here. It was shattered, so I put in this window right here. I thought of showing you how to put it, but it is simple. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do it. Basically what you do is that you start on the downside, and then you finish it up on the top side. You put in that what you call it, thread what I forgot what you call it. You just put in a wire like inside of this rubber, and then you pull it, and then it pulls in the rubber inside with something like this one. So as you pull it, it pulls the rubber in here. So that's how I installed this window. I'll show you the inside and on how I did it. So the other thing that we're going to be installing is the gearbox. I need to take out this gearbox and put in this other gearbox, because that one I don't think it is 100%. So yeah, this one is complete. It has the drums and also the mountains right here. Yeah, so this one is complete. That other one still needs a lot of work. It is missing the boots. The boots right here does not have the boots, does not have the mountains, and also the drum right here. The drum right here, I'm not sure if you can see it. So it has a lot of mistakes in it. So want to change it, put it inside of here. I'll probably bring out a video on how to put in this gearbox. It is simple. So there is a mountain here, this mountain here. This one is not the same, but there is a mountain here. Then that mountain goes at the back of but I'll show you, because now I just wanted to put in an update on how the dustbin beetle is going. So I got the windows in. Last time I showed in, the windows were not in, although I'm still missing the rubbers here, but I'm gonna get those rubbers. Like, I'm not in a hurry. So the smell inside, I didn't do much in here, so the smell, it is not that bad, although it is still there, but it is not too much. I got rid of those carpets. As you can see, they are no longer there. Sorry. So they are no longer there. Plus that other side also just need a little bit of cleanup, and then new carpets, the new painting. Just gonna do a welding there, because I don't think I'll get this floor pan, the whole floor pan. I don't think I'll get it. And then that other side also, I'll just cut it like that and then weld it. And then yeah, the fuel tank, I'm not sure of it, but that also is gonna need a cleaning also, but I'm not sure. But I'm definitely gonna clean it, because it has been sitting far too long. The door still closed nice. So there is an update on the dustbin beetle. Stay tuned. Although I've been busy with some other project, I'll show you as soon as I'm done with it. I didn't take videos of it because I just want to enjoy it. It is not easy trying to trying to do a project while recording. So this one I just thought let me just share with you, but that other one I just wanted to do it, enjoy it, like any other project. So this one is also, we have the windows in. There's that rust that I've been showing you here. So I'm gonna weld it right here. Just need to get a welding machine, and then what's gonna be left is the wiring. This car does not have wiring, the harness for this car, so I'm gonna get that one also. So yeah, there is an update on the dustbin beetle. Okay, is that the fuel tank? So yeah, with it, stay tuned. I'll try to keep you posted, although I'm kind of like busy, so yeah, but I'll keep you posted on how it is going. I'm not in a hurry to finish it up, same one as this one. So I've been putting it on hold because been busy with some other project. But yeah, I have another beetle which is running, so this one I'm not gonna be in a hurry with it. I'll just be doing bit by bit with it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.